How-to videos with Lloyd Garmadon.
Hey Lloyd, can you fix my iPhone?
Sure I can, in my next how-to video, right after the intro. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix smartphones.
Awesome, I can't wait.
First, how to fix a drowned phone. Drop it in water. Then put it in rice. Let's see if it works. In this case, it doesn't.
Oh, bummer.
Next, I'm gonna show you how to fix a phone that has been drowned in rice.
Okay.
First, drop the phone in rice. Then drop it in water. Boom, you're done.
That's not right.
Now, I'll show you how to unlock a phone without a password.
This should be good.
Okay, so what I do is just push a bunch of buttons and you might get it right.
Come on!
Last, I will show you how to fix all your problems with a smartphone. And that's how you fix a smartphone. Here's your phone back, Nia.
Wow, thanks. Alright, I'm out of here.